Here to celebrate our Governor Siminalayi Fubara, who is an awardee tonight.
Talking about celebration, what do you think about it?
I think that he's a very deserving awardee for this award. He's a very unconventional leader, but a transformational one, very committed to the people and committed to peace. And I think that is something that we'll be celebrating tonight, that recognition of his commitment to people and commitment to peace.
How would the people of Rivers State be looking at this award, knowing fully well that he's coming for the first time to come and receive an award like this?
He's a very humble, quiet, reserved leader. So he's not one to generally come out, even when he's been nominated for awards in the past. But I think this is a critical time, and he feels the need to also show the people that he's recognized and he's standing in recognition of the Rivers people. So that's why he's here tonight.
Well, I think to me it's well deserved. I do not think anybody fits this position right now than himself. Of course, you know all he's gone through. Despite everything, he's held his head high. He's kept his state very peaceful. He's continued with his developmental strides. He's made and put smiles in the faces of people of Rivers State and even those visiting Rivers State. And so the toga fits him. His Excellency Siminalayi Fubara is a very peaceful man. He's a peace-loving man. And at never in his life would he want to get into any belligerence with anybody, nor the people. And so whatever that is happening now, it's a family feud. It happens everywhere. And like we're saying now, that peace has come. When I mean peace has come, people have come to realization and amicable settlements have set in. And so the state is moving on.
It can never be less. Nigeria knows that this is a man of pedigree. This is a quiet man, a man that is unique in nature, very humble. We were not shocked when we got the news that Telegraph will be giving him the Man of the Year award. He deserves it and even more because he has shown prudence in management of the resources of Rivers people. He has shown magnanimity in power. He has shown that power cannot be absolute, like people will say, that absolute power intoxicate absolutely. We have seen a man of power, yet is very kind. We have seen a man that has the constitutional power to do anything, and he will say, look, my power is to better the life of our people. So we are very happy, and that's why we came to celebrate with him. It can never be less.
Will this transform to peace and calmness going forward?
Of course, when award is given, it will be inspired to do more. So for us, we know that His Excellency will do more, and this award will be dedicated to Rivers people and the peaceful nature that we are enjoying in Rivers State as it stands today.
The award to His Excellency, the Governor of Rivers State, is very significant to our people. It's like a boosting morale to the people of Rivers State. The people of Rivers State are very happy because the award given to him is a replication of the work he is doing in Rivers State. If you come to Rivers State, if you are an outsider and you come to Rivers State, you'll see, despite the distractions, especially in the time of the emergency rule, it does not matter. The governor have gone far. He has surpassed in the implementation of projects at the grassroots. Everywhere in Rivers State, there are visible projects that has direct bearing to the life of our people. When you come to Rivers State, you see one of the projects called the Ring Road. The Ring Road is a road that goes round the state, cutting across several local governments and making movement of vehicle very easy, instead of the usual congestion that you might meet in some places. You pass through the riverine areas of Asaretoru, Akokotoru, Degema, coming out in Port Harcourt, Obiakpo, like that. That project today is over 75% nearing completion. And when completed, it will give Rivers State a new face of development. The governor has also gone to the rural areas, all the local governments. Unlike previous administration, they are concentrated in Port Harcourt and Obiakpo. But the incumbent governor of Rivers State goes to all the local governments, citing projects, almost in every local government, to disseminate development to the rural areas. And our people are very happy.
It means a lot. We that are empirically involved in what is happening in Rivers State, you only take a man of such charisma to allow peace to reign. And you know what peace is all about. For development, for progress. If he was some other kind of persons, like the way our Ijaw people are, what they know Ijaw for, all the Asawana stuff and all that, maybe Rivers State won't be inhabited by people. So he's really a man of the year because he has really saved lives in Rivers State. He's always at the receiving end for peace to reign, from no kind of any crisis that will endanger the life of the citizen of Rivers State. The man is an epitome of love because it takes only love for you to tolerate what is, because he sees beyond today. He always said, I want to leave a legacy for my children. It's not about today. He's not a man of the moment. It's a movement. I can tell you for free. The world is watching him. Nigeria is watching him. And anytime they are looking for a man of peace in any good place, they will say, let's go after this man. He has exhibited peace. So it's a man of the year because no governor, as it were, that can tolerate what the governor of Rivers State has so far tolerated.
Well, Governor Fubara is a man that is worthy of emulation. He's a man that people need to emulate. Because when you talk about Governor Fubara, you talk about peace. I call him the liberator of our time. Because he's a man who has stood for justice for his people. And he's a man who we address as the epitome of peace. Because what the governor has tolerated, so many of us would not. In any way, you cannot bear what the man called Fubara has seen. So he deserves the award as man of the year. Because if you talk about development, not minding the crisis, the distraction, come to Rivers State and see what he's doing. He is not shouting, he's not loud when it comes to some persons who begin to do something and begin to make hell of noise, but he doesn't. Come to Rivers State, find out, not just talking on television, come to Rivers State and say developmental strides. That's to tell you that the man is worthy of emulation. I am happy to associate with him. I am happy to be one of his own. And I will also remain to support him.